Okay, we're just getting done. We're here at Jenkin's boat ramp. I had a buddy meet me this morning to go fishing and bailed at the last minute, got tied up with some stuff. So I drove out to Bayport and I thought, you know, I'm gonna go fishing. I looked, it was windy, kind of talked myself out of it. I had shorts on, it was a little cooler. And I said, I'll go ride around, check on some things. So I was riding around, I came over, check out the Jenkin's boat ramp. And I was walking the pier, just talking to some of the fishermen I seen this morning. And met John. So I was like, okay, let's see if he's got time today. Maybe he wants to go. And I asked him, sure enough, he was open for the morning. So I said, all right, jump on. Let's go see if we can catch some redfish. I got a plan for this low tide. And he was more than happy to hop on board and learn some new techniques and catch first redfish. And biggest redfish was 24 he got today. So that's pretty cool. Multi-spotted one. Had 3 on one side and 1 on the other. So that was pretty neat as well. But awesome day. So almost went home today and canceled, you know, my whole fishing idea, but ended up being awesome. Thanks again to him for coming out and giving me a shot, just a random stranger. I mean, it's got to be kind of weird, somebody coming up, hey, you want to go fishing on a boat with me? You know, but it was a good time. We had an awesome conversation and taught him a little bit about the area and the fish and different techniques and what's going to be coming up for wintertime fishing and different stuff to do. So hopefully you can put some of that to use and shorten the learning curve for them. We're gonna go try to find ourselves some lunch now though. So everybody, appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Looks like we'll be all right. Yeah, it's low enough this morning.
Yeah, I got
So what we're gonna do, I don't know if you want to use your poles.
Well, I mean,
you got one you can use.
If it's already set up with hooks and stuff, that way I won't have to try and untie and retie a hook and stuff. Mine.
I mean, you can use this too,
okay,
though. That'll work.
Okay.
But I have mine set up with weights and everything ready to go.
Yeah, you see what I've got.
So this is what I'm using. These are 3 and 4/0 circle hooks.
Yeah.
Just with a knocker rig.
Yeah. What's it? There again, I just use it.
I hold the bait out of the water until you're ready to cast, because you don't want that blood getting in the water.
Right.
You want the scent in the spot. Anywhere you want to cast it. We're seeing movement here and straight out in front of us. And I have a few other rods, so we'll be able to put a few out as far as you can cast it. And then with these baits, you just let them sit, because these fish are going to pick up on the scent. Hold it up and reel. There you go. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh yeah. He'll run right to you. Yeah. You're good right there. Just watch that front anchor pole if he goes around one way or the other. There you go. All right, that's good right there. All right, turn it. Well, that's your first redfish, huh?
Absolutely. Man, them things are pretty.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've ever seen one.
You ever seen them in person,
I've never
huh?
seen one in person, yeah. I know he ain't the biggest fish, but he is.
1, 2, 3. Awesome. Oh, you got it. There you go.
He's got it. Nope.
You just let it sit. Yep, just set it back down, because he'll pick it back up. If he didn't get hooked, a lot of times he'll sit there and turn back around and grab it. All right. Okay, I'll grab that for you. Getting it?
Yeah, oh yeah. I stopped just to tighten my drag just a smidge. Coming at me now. Come on, man. Keep going, keep going. Go.
You're good. Don't spin around it. You're good. Here you go. Turn it.
Yeah. Where he can get himself out of it.
All Alright.
A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger.
Yeah, that one's got a lot of dark color to it. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. They're pretty fish.
They are definitely pretty fish.
Oh, that's a big trout. That's a big trout.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh! Spit the bait. Sorry there, buddy. That's what I was saying. It could be trout, a school of trout that's pushing right through there.
Yeah.
That's a nice, fat, healthy trout.
Yeah, that's a good fish too.
That's our speckled sea trout.
Yep, that's the first time I've ever seen it.
There you go.
But anyway. Put me in touch with the manager back. Oh, it broke off.
Probably just popped off.
Maybe just popped off. It's
Yeah.
still bouncing like there's weight on it.
Yeah. I think that was a better fish.
I think it was too.
Big boil. There's more fish there too. That's a nice one. If you have to, you just lift that rod over the anchor. You're good, you got it. Grab that net. Just hold that rod all the way down because that bottom of the boat's sharp. And just reel them, lift them. They love going under there trying to hide. That's a nice fish. That's what we're looking for. Oh, there's another one. I just cast that. I told you there's more fish out there. I can see him moving. That's a big fish. Go ahead and get that one.
Stop.
No, he's on there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. This is a nice fish. We'll get a picture of it. It's probably a school and they're all the same size. This is what we're looking for. I think there's a lot more fish still.
Back to me now. There
It's a pretty one too. Oh. Turn around, I got the camera running. Yeah. So a nice double up on Pier reds.
Yeah, awesome.
Smaller one. And another red.
The slam.
The inshore slam, yep.
And go along with my chin right there.
Pretty fish. Easy, buddy. Pretty fish. Yeah, I love when they start to get that blue in their tails. And I mean, it just lights up. Like, in the water, you can really see.
Oh yeah, yeah, you can see it stronger in the water than the
Yeah, it lights up. He's gonna make you work for it.
big
Another
fish.
nice fish, yeah.
Big fish too.
They're healthy.
Yeah.
He enjoyed that snack. He said, "Thank you so much."
Yeah.
You still got me beat though. That one's just about 20. Healthy fish though. You can hear him drumming.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There you see.
It's
Just and try that, even fishing like you said, some fluke style stuff, just nose hooking them.
yep. It's nice because it's a lot better for the fish and the environment. So you're less likely to get snagged, and they're less likely to, you know, hook the fish deep down in their throat. And you've seen every fish we had today.
Yeah.
They were hooked perfectly in the corner of the mouth, and we didn't have to set the hook or do anything. They did it.
That's right. They do it themselves. You know,
That wind sure did pick up. It almost kept me from going. I'm glad I ran into you, John, because I was.
I promise you, not as bad as I am that you invited.
I was going home. I was just stopping to check out some stuff and look around. But my plan was to go home after I went to the boat ramp this morning.
You've seen it too.
I found my one piece of trash for the day.
I was going to say, I wondered if you've seen that or not, the bottle floating.
I thought it was just a stick or something, but I wasn't sure.
No, I seen it when we were coming nose toward it. I seen that bottle floating. I started to say something to you about it, and I thought, well, you know, I wasn't even thinking about that. See how where I was at. I was hoping you might get close enough where I could bend over and grab it.
Yeah.
That's a lot easier.